Hello everyone, welcome to channel Fun and Learn. Here is a lesson from NCERT textbook of English for class 3rd. Book name is Santur. Chapter is 11. Chanda Mama counts the stars. First of all, we will read the lesson. Chanda Mama at times round as a circle and at times different. Once he started counting the stars 1, 2, 3, 10, 21, 45, 99, 100, 311, 516, 890, yawn, 999. Chanda Mama fell asleep. The sun peeped out from behind the clouds. It was morning. Chanda Mama woke up in the evening. He began to count again, but he had forgotten where he had stopped. By the time he remembered, the night was over. However, he continued to count the stars night after night. Often he would forget the count. One night he was very upset. He began to cry. Ooh, ooh, what is this? I am never able to complete my counting. On seeing his tears, the sun smiled. Don't worry. Why do you cry? I can tell you how many stars there are in the sky. Really? How many? Chanda Mama was surprised. The sun replied joyfully, the number of lovely children is the same as the number of stars in the sky. Chanda Mama was happy. Now the moon came out every night. He would look at the stars, he would look at the children, and he would smile happily. Now, new words from the lesson. यान यान मतलब उबासी लेना. पीप्ड झांकना. बिगेन शुरू करना, शुरू किया. फॉरगॉटन भूल गया. अपसेट परेशान. बिगेन शुरू किया. जॉयफुली खुशी से. टीयर्स आंसू. वरी चिंता. स्माइल मुस्कुराहट. हैप्पीली खुशी से. चिल्ड्रन बच्चे. नाउ we will do question answer. Answer the following. Does the moon look the same every night? No, the moon does not look the same every night. What did Chanda Mama try to count? Chanda Mama tried to count stars. Why did Chanda Mama fall asleep? Chanda Mama fell asleep because he was tired by counting the stars. Who helped Chanda Mama? The sun helped Chanda Mama. Complete the sentence. The number of stars in the sky is the same as the number of lovely children. Think and say. I call the moon Chanda Mama. What do you call him in your language? I call also Chanda Mama, but some call Chand. Question number 2. Chanda Mama was not able to count the stars. What things can you not count? I cannot count my hair, people on earth, big trees in the jungle and leaves of big trees. तो बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनको हम इजीली काउंट नहीं कर सकते. The moon is visible during the night. What can you see in the night sky? I can see moon and stars in the night sky. In next question, here and there, यहाँ और वहाँ. नजदीक की चीज यहाँ और जो दूर चीज है वो वहाँ. Look at the following sentences. We are here on the earth. The moon is there in the sky. तो जो चीज नजदीक है उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे here. जो चीज हमसे दूर है उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे there. As we are here on the earth, the moon is there in the sky. I have a sharpener here in my pencil box. The crayons are there in the big box. Sharpener नजदीक है उसके पेंसिल बॉक्स में है. So we can say I have a sharpener here in my pencil box. And crayons हैं जो उससे काफी दूर रखे हुए हैं. The crayons are there in the big box. So we use here for near things and there for far things जो दूर हैं. Now the underlined words in both sentences tell us about the location of sharpener and crayons. The distance of the objects from the speaker helps us in choosing between the words here and there. We use here to tell the location of things that are near us. Similarly, there is used to tell the location of things that are far from us. Now fill in the blanks with here or there. One has been done for you. The students are playing kabaddi there. In next sentence, we will use here. Here is your shirt. Again in next sentence, we will use there. There is my bicycle because bicycle is far. I went to Chandigarh last year. My brother is there. You can say my brother lives there. In next sentence, this is my bench. I sit here with my friends. So we used here and there. In next question, in the story we read that the stars were too many to be counted. Now your teacher will read out a list of items for you. Put the items in the correct column in the given table. Children in the classroom. This we will write in the column of can be counted easily. Flowers in a garden. This we will write in too many to be counted. Books in the library. Too many to be counted. Pencils in your pencil box can be counted easily. Fingers on your right hand can be counted easily. Children in your city or town, too many to be counted. Pages in your English notebook can be counted easily. The hairs on your head, too many to be counted. So, the sentences are in different column. In column, can be counted easily. Children are in the classroom, we can count them easily. Pencils in your pencil box, we can count them easily. Fingers on your right hand, we can count them easily. Pages in your English notebook also can be counted easily. In next column, too many to be counted. Flowers in a garden, books in the library, children in your city or town, the hairs on your hand. In next question, it was a full moonlight. Children had come out to see the moon. Complete the conversation they had by picking the words from the help box. A camera for the picture, so bright and big, says the full moon looks very beautiful. Let's take a picture. These are word groups we will use to complete the sentences. Govind, wow, look. Safura, the moon looks so big and bright. Sukanya, is not it? Dhruv, my grandfather, says the full moon looks very beautiful. Ramani, let us Take a picture. Safura, my mother has a camera for the picture. Dhruv, come, stand here and let's take a picture. Govind, the moon is so bright and big. In next question, there is a project work, wind chimes. Let us make wind chimes with the shapes of the moon and the stars. Follow the instructions stepwise. Materials required: 2 cardboard sheets, colored paper, a pair of scissors, child-friendly scissors to be used under adult supervision. अपने आप से सीजर को नहीं यूज करना है, किसी बड़े के साथ सीजर को यूज करना है और वह भी चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली हो. मार्कर, थ्रेड, ग्लू. Now step 1. Take a cardboard sheet. Cut a crescent-shaped moon from it as shown in the picture. Step 2. Draw stars on cardboard and cut them. Step 3. Use paper to decorate the sun. Step 4. Attach all the above shapes as shown in the picture using thread and glue. Our beautiful wind chimes are ready. We learned here wind chime and now we will learn here word chimes. We can take out cuts of different shapes as circle, square, and we'll find out the words with C and S from the story and we'll make a word chime. So here are two words chimes, words with C and words with S. Chanda, counting, clouds, continued, complete, children, sky, sun, stars, smile, same, seeing, surprised. All words are started with S. These are beautiful word chimes. Thank you.